Monochrome dressing, but better. Let's style the Runway the Shortway on my 5'2" stature. This week, we're taking on the Sheer Lilac Monochrome trend, spotted across spring-summer 2024 catwalks, such as Phillip Lim, Issey Miyake, and Carolina Herrera. Taking a cue from Jordan Lucas' show, let's style some black undergarments under the sheer lilac vintage nightgown. I don't think that the black undergarments are working. It's taking away from the beauty of the vintage nightgown, so let's try something else. Let's try the Phillip Lim styling approach of a lilac underlayer, going with the set from Ratboy, a Ventura-based clothing company. I think it's better, especially the undies. I don't think the bra is working, and for as cute as the rosette is sticking out, I think we just need something that's gonna let this area be what it is, which is really delicate and feminine. So you can probably guess what I'm gonna try next. If you thought I was gonna put on nipple covers, then you were right. I am very happy with how this is looking. It's very much on point with the sheer lilac monochrome trend. And now we just have to throw in some accessories, starting with shoes. I need something that's gonna give me height. I am 5'2", so if you're short, you know. I want something that's gonna make it so that the nightgown skims the floor and it's not like too far off the ground, but also not dragging on the floor. So I think something that's gonna be like a few inches will be perfect. Opting for these Western-inspired boots, the simple gold hoops, this shoulder bag, which I'll wear crossbody, and my black sunnies. Next, let's style a look with this vintage slip. This vintage slip is actually killer. I love how the bust is translucent and the rest of it is really opaque. So I don't need to layer anything underneath it besides just my nude undergarments. So all I think it really needs is accessories. So let's see what we have. I'm super inspired by this Jane Wade look. So let's style this next outfit with white sambas, gold hoops, and a pearl choker, a sweater wrapped around my waist, this Alexander Calder tote, and white cat-eye sunnies. For the last look, let's layer the vintage slip under the vintage nightgown. This is like the modest version of the earlier look with the undies that was pretty risque. You can see the midi length of the slip through the sheer material of the nightgown, and I think that's okay. For the styling, let's lean into the feminine vibes that are happening. I'm pairing this look with these low heel sandals. The safety pin earring, the grommet belt, and the choker are for contrast. The butterfly pendant is just adorable. This small shoulder bag, and black cat-eye sunnies. Shorties wear it better. By the looks of these sheer lilac monochrome looks on fellow shorties, I think it's safe to say so. My favorite is Lisbeth's. Which one's yours? These are some tips to keep in mind when you're styling your very own sheer lilac monochrome look. You can opt for a nude underlayer, similar to what we saw in Carolina Herrera's show, or what I did for my second look. Alternatively, you can go with a lilac underlayer. I love the way Carla layered her tops. It reminds me of the color on color layering that we saw on Philip Lim and Nada Ziak. For an edgier look, go with black. It's no secret I'm a fan of Lisbeth's outfit, but I also really love how Millie layered her black bikini under the sheer lilac set. It's worth noting that this black underlayer styling technique was seen at Jordan Luca. For accessories, feel free to go all out with the monochrome look, just as Camila did and Carolina Herrera. You could never go wrong with black. Jenny Walton knows so. I paired my first and third look with all black accessories, and let's not forget, Jordan Luca did so as well. Or do the opposite and go with white. I fully leaned into the white accessories for my second look. Lisbeth went with a white handbag. Luisa Baccaria went with white footwear, and so did Sportsmax. Let's not forget about gray and silver. Carla paired her look with silver shoes, Jane Wade with gray sneakers, and Sportsmax with a metallic silver handbag. Last but not least, brown and bronze are also an option. Here we see Wendy wearing brown accessories, but we also spotted some bronze stilettos at the Faith Connection show. If you want to shop this trend, I got you. I scour the internet for the best petite size and petite friendly sheer lilac garments and created a shopping list. Just click the link in the description, enter your email, and I will send it into your inbox. Don't forget, keep it short.